In this video, we'll take a boat trip from Cala Gonone, and we'll go to Cala Sisine beach, then Cala Mariolu, with a view of Cala Goloritzé, and on the way back, a final stop at Cala Mariolu beach. The cost for this excursion is €80 per person, plus €10 if you want to visit the cave. Cala Sisine can also be reached by land from the Golgo Plateau, following the dirt road that branches off on the right 200 meters before the Church of San Pietro. From this point on begins the about 13 kilometers long road that runs along the Cala for long stretches until the parking space of Planu I Muda, the Myrtle Plateau, where a path begins which in about half an hour, little more than 1 km walk, leads to the beach. The Planu I Muda parking space can be reached only by off-road vehicles or 4x4. If you have a common car, you must park in the parking area located in the locality Olobisai. From there you'll walk for about 8 kilometers to reach the beach.
Really clear the water. Oh my god. It's nice.
Cala Mariolu is located about a mile north of the natural monument of Cala Goloritzé and is one of the most picturesque beaches of the coast of Bonii and of the whole Mediterranean. The view will take your breath away. The cliff, covered by the typical Mediterranean vegetation, reaches about 500 meters of height. It falls to the sea both in the north and in the south side, and surrounds the small cove to the west, making Cala Mariolu almost inaccessible from land.
So good. Wow. All these people came with boats. The big one, the small one.
Punta Espulajai is today the only point of access by land, despite the dense Mediterranean scrub. In the past, it served as a natural jetty for the loading of coal by the coalmen, called furisteros by the locals. Several of them settled in the town of Bonii. A huge rock divides the northern part of the beach, called in Sardinian Isse Pedra Isu Saltatori, which acts as a springboard for adults and children, as well as a pier for boats.
Okay, here we are at the famous beach Mariolu. And it's a nice one, very nice this one. The water is chill. And it gets deep fast. That's according to the cliff, huh? It goes with it. Come out by this ramp. You have the choice to come on the right. There's this little beach there, which is very nice. Or you can go on the left. And there's another beach. It's pretty, huh? Wow. Wow. It's beautiful.
No boats are allowed to land directly on the shore at Cala Goloritzé, as it is a highly protected natural monument. Boats must anchor 200 to 300 meters offshore. You can reach the beach by anchoring your boat outside the buoys and swimming the remaining 100 to 200 meters. Cala Mariolu is a pretty cove with a landslide origin that rises at the foot of the limestone cliff, typical of the entire territory of Bonii. The beach is formed by white pebbles with rounded contours. The merit of this slow and incredible work goes to the surrounding turquoise waters.
Okay, this is a new place. This one is a bit small, but I like it.
It's nice. The water is beautiful.
Yes,
Very clear.
another nice beach.
Accessible by boat only.
And this one in the back there, I don't know if you can see, there's like an arch. And it's a nice spot for snorkeling. It's like a big pool just in front of that bridge.
Is this excursion from Cala Gonone better than the one to the Maddalena archipelago? After doing both excursions, I preferred the one from Cala Gonone. I found the mountain views much more spectacular than the boat trip to Maddalena archipelago.